Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Maj, and for today's video tayo ay mag-unbox na McDonald's Blind Box BTS Tiny Tan Throwback Edition. At the same time, tuturuan ko kayo ng strategy kung paano kayo makakatipid or paano nyo makukuha or makakapag-purchase na as low as 124.71 pesos per Happy Meal, guys. So, here sa Philippines is naka-blind box siya. Sa other countries like South Korea and Japan, pwede kang mamili. So, I don't know kung meron pang other countries na pwede ka pang mamili, guys. So, sa US, naka-blind box siya, pero pwede ka raw, pwede mo malaman kung sino yung nasa box. Dahil may na-leak na, naka-numbering siya na from 1 to 7. So, first, number 1 is RM, Jin, Suga, J-Hope, Jimin, V, and Jungkook. But here sa Philippines, iba yung sa box, walang 1 to 7. Nasa model ending number siya, guys. From 601 to 607, guys. So, may mga other store na they allow na pwede mong tingnan. But, meron din iba na hindi pwede talaga. So, ako kasi, ang ginawa ko, dahil nalaman ko na may pa-exclusive discount si Foodpanda. Buti na lang talaga, guys. Hindi ko tinuloy yung first dip. Tapos pupunta ako ng first dips here sa Philippines. But, nagkaroon kasi ng emergency. Kaya, hindi ko natuloy. Kaya, buti na lang talaga hindi ako tumuloy. Dahil hindi ko makikita to or hindi ko ma-avail to kung tumuloy ako, guys. So, here, kay Foodpanda, nagbigay siya ng exclusive discount na up to 20%. At the same time, may additional voucher pa, guys, na discount. So, later papakita ko yung computation. Okay, at kung paano nyo ma-avail yung as low as 124.71. So, tayo ay mag-unbox muna. Kung in-honor, actually, kay Foodpanda, kung mag-take note kayo, kasi nag-take note ako na Pretty Please for BTS Happy Meal model ending number 605, which is Jimin, and 607, which is Jungkook, may both bias, guys. So, Pretty Please, thank you so much. So, yun yung ninote ko kay Foodpanda. Sana mabait nga yung store. So, hindi ko titingnan. So, check natin yan at the same time. So, yung dalawa lang talaga yung pinaka-important. Although, kukompletuhin ko pa rin naman siya. So, tingnan natin kung i-honor. So, now, this is it, guys. So, hindi ko tiningnan kung anong model number. So, as much as possible. So, ayun na. It's Suga. Oh my God. I got Suga. Pero sana hindi ako makakuha ng guys, ng puro parehas. Kasi meron nakakuha ng 7 Jungkook, 7 Jin ata, something like that. So, I hope na hindi ganon. Sana mabait yung sa mga store malapit dito sa amin. Oh! I got J-Hope. So, magkasunod sila. 3 and 4. 6-0, 3 and 4. So, yay! So, I hope si Jimin at Jungkook na tong dalawa. At the same time, guys, DM nyo rin yung na huwag kalimutan yung Happy Meal nga. Oh my God! Oh my God! It's Jungkook! Oh my God! My main bias, si Jungkook. So, I got Jungkook. Thank you sa Quezon City Novaliches store dahil napakabait. In-honor nila si Jungkook. So, I hope it's this Jimin. Kung hindi man, I'll try next time. At least, diba? Oh my God, nakita ko na yung hair kasi. It's Jimin. Oh my God. Yay! So, I'm super satisfied. Buti na lang walang, duplicate. So, I got 4 of them. So, pibili ulit ako tomorrow ng 3. So, lalagay ko lang yan sa short video. Sana i-honor pa rin nila. So, ayan guys. Kapag punta nyo sa Foodpanda page nyo, so, click nyo lang doon. May nakalagay doon na 25, sorry, naka 25 ko. 25% off. Exclusive lang yan for Tiny Tan. So, Burger McDo yung pinakamura, di ba? 153 siya supposed to be. So, malilas siya ng 25%. So, ito until October 15 only. Kasi October 16 is encore na, di ba? So, ayan. Kung hindi kayo mag-upgrade, guys, much better na, much better na hindi kayo mag-upgrade para at least 124.7. Kung habol nga lang naman is the Tiny Tan. Pero ako kasi, gusto ko sin chicken talaga. Kaya, and then gusto ko naka-large yung drinks ko and fries ko. Okay? So, ayan, may special instructions, guys. So, dito kasi, much better na 7 yung orderin nyo, guys, para maximize nyo yung pati yung additional 10% discount, which is yung one time lang yun, guys. One time discount. So, kapag nag-order lang kayong dalawa, nung una, then gusto nyo pa mag-order again, hindi nyo na magagamit yung Forever 7 na voucher na additional discount. So, 1,071 siya total. Kung yan yung 153, diba, times 7. So, 1,071. And then, ginamit nyo nga yung 25%. So, may less. And then, ito nga yung Forever 7. So, may 97.10 pa na additional. So, kasi may delivery. So, tanggalin mo yung delivery and service fee. Magiging 873 pesos. And then, yun nga, pag dinivide nyo sa 7, 124.71 each Happy Meal, guys. So, until October 15 lang yan, kaya grab nyo na. So, until next time, goodbye!
You hold me tight, 설레는 그 입술로 Wonder how you hold with your word 널 눈에 담아 I don't want you to